Thanks for joining us tonight on 18 News at 6. I'm Sam Freestad in for Katie Fernetten. A First Amendment expert says Republican Congressman Derek Van Orden's bill to block federal funding over comments about Charlie Kirk is, quote, unflagrantly unconstitutional. Thanks for joining us. I'm Sam in for Katie. As mentioned, we've been covering the story all week, and tonight Toby Moore has you covered about the concerns over the freedom of speech.
This is a flagrantly unconstitutional bill. If it were made a law, it would directly violate core First Amendment principles.
Dr. Howard Schweber is a political science professor emeritus at UW-Madison, where he taught on the U.S. Constitution. He says the bill introduced by Congressman Derek Van Orden to prohibit federal funding for, quote, entities that employ individuals who condone and celebrate political violence and domestic terrorism would be a violation of the freedom of speech. That bill is in response to social media posts and other comments about the assassination of Charlie Kirk, including by 2 Eau Claire City Council members. Schweber says there are 2 landmark Supreme Court cases at play here. The first is Brandenburg versus Ohio, which ruled even hateful speech is protected unless it is intended and likely to incite imminent illegal action.
It ceases to be First Amendment protected if you move into the area of threats, or trying to accomplish this goal, or raising money for this goal. But if we're only talking about expressing support for something, or approval of something, then that is always First Amendment protected.
The second case was decided just last year, the NRA versus Bulow. The court ruled unanimously the government cannot use its power to coerce or punish a group because of its speech. Schweber says that includes Congress's power over federal spending.
The Supreme Court said, no, government can't do that. Government can't say, if I don't like your message or whom you associate with or other First Amendment protected activities, we will refuse to do business with you. And this falls squarely under that ruling.
I spoke with Congressman Van Orden about this bill when it was introduced. He says it is to prevent federal dollars being used to promote threats. You can find more from our conversation on our website.
Thanks, Toby. And for more coverage on the bill, the comments made by city council members, and what it could all mean for the city of Eau Claire, head to WQOW.com.